Welcome to the Sales Wave AI training video series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to design your pages in Sales Wave AI. Go to the Manage Pages section. Click on Design. Now you are our exclusive editor. Here you can edit and design your sales page. You can add or edit text on your page. Change the font and color of the text.
Tired of spending countless hours trying to increase sales and generate leads?
You can replace any image. Replace any background on your page. You can also use AI Content Finder to generate AI content for your page. Click on Save and your page will be saved. Thanks for watching the video.